Student Review of Debolina, Certified Python and Machine Learning of Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. About the trainee.
My name is Debolina.
How was the machine learning and Python training provided to you?
It was pretty good. So the method of the training was online, as I stay far away from here. So it was good.
To improve your skills in machine learning, what were the projects that have been assigned to you during the course tenure?
So I completed machine learning. So the project that were assigned to me was related to like gold price detection and
Would you recommend your friends to join Indian Cybersecurity Solutions to learn machine learning and Python training?
would recommend because like I had zero knowledge of Python and machine learning, so I would like to say that Rahul Dasgupta, who were my mentor for that course, so he was very concerned with our doubts and all, so he just made us understand everything very nicely. So I would recommend my friends.